How to manually turn on a Samsung Smart TV. If you've misplaced the remote, you can still turn on your Samsung Smart TV manually. Here's how. Method number 1, using the power button on the TV. Step number 1, locate the power button. The power button on Samsung Smart TVs is typically located in one of these places. Bottom center, underneath the Samsung logo. Back panel on the right or left sides. Front panel on the lower right or left corner of the frame. Step number 2, press and hold the power button. Press and hold the power button for a few seconds. The TV should power on. Method number 2, using the Samsung SmartThings app if connected previously. Step number 1, install the SmartThings app. Download and open the SmartThings app on your smartphone, available for iOS and Android. Step number 2, connect to your TV. Ensure your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your TV. Select your Samsung TV in the app if it's already set up. Step number 3, turn on the TV. Use the on-screen power button in the SmartThings app to turn on your Samsung Smart TV.